Get dressed for 4 below. Feels like below 22 with the wind chill. And we're gonna try and go smoke one. It's muzzleloader season.
But we're using the
bows. It's cold. Whoa, it just changed to 5. This way.
Did you hit her? Not.
I don't think so. My hands. Oh my word. Oh, son of a gun. Oh, my hand.
Hey, look over here. You got frost on your eyelids.
I know I do. Dude.
It's frozen already.
Yeah. It's cold. My hands, I feel them coming back a little bit. But look at the fat on there.
Oh, that's a rage. Oh, it broke the blades.
Really?
Broke the blades.
Uh-oh. I owe Mike a new blade. But if there's fat, it tells me...
You smoked her.
Because I guarantee I went through shoulder blade. Because that's about where I was aiming for. Because that's the only opening I had.
Yeah.
Number 2 right here. Dude, we didn't have freaking what?
I bet she's laying over in that thick stuff.
10 minutes.
-5. Plus wind chill.
And ice on my eyebrows. Or there was.
Why are you wearing orange?
It is muzzleloader season, and we're out here with the bows. Just smoked one. Broke the blades. My hands were pretty much gone. You could freaking hear them from long ways away. All this crunchy stuff. That did.
Let's go for a try.
That took what, 5-10 minutes?
Holy crap, it is cold. You must have put a pretty good hit on her.
Oh yeah. She gone. She's over in here.
Backing out, giving her some time.
Yeah. She should be dead down there, but gonna give her a little bit of time just to make sure. Where she lies.
You got her? Told you it is.
Wow, I almost missed. Well, we got this little button buck about half an hour ago. around 4:30. And it's January 6th.
It's
Is-
your. No,
No, it's not. My birthday is 3 days away. But it's about
-5.
with the wind chill factor, it's about 22 degrees below. But our thermometer thing on the truck said 5. But yeah, it was just a quick little. We seen him come in and we got set up and didn't take but 5 minutes before my hands froze and I shot. Almost missed her, but hey, we got it. It's a good night.